Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can earn passive income on YouTube from affiliated marketing. And the great part is you don't need any subscribers. You don't need to rely on Google AdSense. You don't need a ton of viewers on your videos, and you don't even need a high quality video or Hollywood level video studio. This is the perfect method if you're an affiliate marketer and you're just getting started on YouTube, but your channel isn't big enough to generate consistent revenue through AdSense. Look, most people think that the only way to generate YouTube money is to get millions of views and either have YouTube pay per view, or another brand pays you to mention them in your videos. And while these are great methods, they're completely out of reach for those that are just getting started. Most beginning YouTube channels simply aren't large enough to pick up enough steam to secure a brand deal. And even though YouTube's pay per impression model varies depending upon what niche you're in, it's going to be very difficult to beat the method I'm about to show you in today's video. See, the method I'm going to show you doesn't require a ton of viewers. It doesn't require you have a lot of subscribers either. Let me explain it like this. There are two reasons people usually go on YouTube. And the first is just to browse. They want to see trending videos or catch up on their favorite channel, or let YouTube handpick a few of the most popular videos that you might like on your homepage. That's what we call browsing. And that's when it's important to have a lot of subscribers, likes, comments, views, all the things that people typically think you need to make money on YouTube. But the other way people consume content on YouTube is just a little different. In this second way, people come to YouTube specifically to search for something, whether they're typing in a question or looking for a tutorial video. Maybe they're thinking about buying the next iPhone and want to see a tech review on it. Bottom line is they're coming on YouTube because they have something specific they want to find and learn. And this is where views or subscribers become practically irrelevant. For example, if I'm trying to find the best podcast studio mic to use on my show, I'm really not interested in how many views or subscribers that the channel has. All I care about is finding a video that answers my question. And this is exactly the type of traffic we'll be hijacking. So how does it all work? Let's walk through this step by step. Step one, find a product to promote as an affiliate. Now, real quick, what's an affiliate? An affiliate is someone who joins forces with a product they like, and then they promote it. Now, let's say I really like this podcast mic. Well, I can sign up to become an affiliate of Amazon or whoever's selling it. Then they'll give me a special link to use when I'm promoting it. If someone buys that mic through my link, I get a commission. Now, Amazon is a great place to become an affiliate, and there are tons of other networks with dozens of products like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Digistore. But, and this is important, for this particular method, we want to promote products that people are already searching for. So my secret tip is that in becoming an affiliate, become an affiliate of software. This is the perfect method that you can use to promote your favorite software, which will be clear from step two. So here is step two. Create videos based on one of these highly searched formulas, and I'll tell you what they are first. The first type is the versus or comparison video. Next comes the demo video. Next, the review video. And lastly, alternatives videos. I'll break them down slowly. The versus or comparison video helps people choose between two products that are pretty similar. This is why I love promoting software for this method. The chances are your favorite software has at least 3 or 4 very close competitors, which makes it very hard for someone just getting started to make a decision. For me, I love a landing page builder called ClickFunnels, but I know there are a handful of other landing page builders out there that other people swear by and love. So it would be easy for me to hop on a video and show the comparisons of each. With this video type, do some research on competitors and compare each. Go over the benefits, the pros, the cons, the costs, the reviews online. Doing so in a simple way will help people to make choices easier. Second is the demo video. In this video type, you go in and show someone how to use the product or service. Going back to the ClickFunnels example, you could go in and show how to create a landing page or how to set up the software so it's ready to use. Third is the review video. This is pretty straightforward. Instead of comparing different products, you're focusing on one. Remember that this is the high-level review, so you'll want to cover everything from the price, usability, and customer support. Some of my favorite examples are tech video reviews. Channels like MKBHD or Dave 2D create awesome videos reviewing things like smartphones and laptops. They go into details about what's good and bad about the products, sharing their opinions. If there's a certain type of product you love and you know a lot about, don't be afraid to make review videos. People love this kind of stuff, even if they aren't in the market to buy anything. And last is what we call our alternative videos. This is something like top 5 alternatives to MailChimp or the best alternatives to ClickFunnels. Now I'm going to tell you, well, this may sound like a lot of work, and it is. If you know your product well, you can pump these videos out faster than you might think. The reason is you don't need fancy equipment or a whole lot of editing. The best way to make these videos is simply screen sharing your computer and hitting record. You can leave your affiliate link in the description. Now, I love this because it's barely even selling. If you're helping someone find the right product, simply leaving your affiliate link in the description is the easiest way to make a sale. They have quick access to the link, and you'll get a commission on every sale. All right, well, I hope that I've helped get your brain turning with ideas on how you can make money with YouTube, even if you don't have any subscribers, views, brand deals, or products of your own to sell. Remember, in this game, it's not about who has the highest quality video, but who can offer the most help. And if you think you can help people solve their problems, this might be the perfect method for you. And as always, thank you for tuning into today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and take action. Thanks so much for joining us today. Take care.